January 14th, 1984. That was a Saturday. How do I even know that? Well, that's the day that I had my first panic attack. What I realized is that anxiety that showed up, that panic, it recognized I felt unsafe, uncertain, alone. And it kind of showed up as like my ride or die companion. When I was going through my first nervous breakdown, the thing that I thought to myself the most was, how do I get rid of this? What I didn't realize is I was asking myself the wrong question. The question I should have been asking myself is, what's going on? Why is this part of me so activated? And what is it trying to tell me? There was a message in this mess. So what I did was I came up with a framework, and I call it HEAL. And this is how it works. What I teach my clients is, as soon as you start to notice that sensation in your body, I want you to pause and say, hey, I sense something's going on in my nervous system. I wonder what it is. The second part is E, and it stands for engage. And engage is simply, what is it that you need to tell me? Ask it a question. What's the message in this mess? It wants to be heard. The third step is A, acknowledge it. Let it know that you're aware that it's even there. You can even say things to yourself like, I see you, I feel you, I hear you. Let's connect. And when you're doing that, we can get to L, which is letting yourself lead. When that starts to happen, there's room in your nervous system for yourself to start coming forward from a compassionate, curious place. Anxiety is not your enemy. It's your friend. It's your most loyal companion. When you can allow anxiety to see that it's okay to step back and allow yourself to lead, you open yourself up to a much more peaceful life. Thank you.